when we are thinking of a prior art search, we will suggest that okay, you can go through the ESPACENET, right? Now, what is the benefit of ESPACENET is that there is a worldwide coverage, right? So almost all patent documents which are published in all over the world that are available on the ESPACENET. Currently, there are 100 million plus patent documents available on the ESPACENET, right? Now you will say, oh, I can get Chinese patent or Korean patents. Language is important. No, here, that Japanese patents, you are getting that patents also on this ESPACENET. The only thing is that the translation of complete document may not be there, but at least you can identify the title or the, okay, this kind of patent is available in what we can say it is filed in Japan, or it is filed in China, or it is filed in Korea. At least that guess you can make by using the ESPACENET database.